Hi, I'm Dijan. Welcome to my Yoga Therapy Pill platform. Today I will be sharing with you a yoga program for men for cardiovascular health, and especially a restorative program that is suitable after a heart condition, a heart disease. Please take it in your own pace, do it very gently, and have a bunch of props ready with you, like a couple of pillows, a t-shirt or a belt that may be useful for you. If you have a block, even better. If you're looking for a preventive program, then you can try my high blood pressure, hypertension program using this link above. Let's do something good for ourselves and practice. We will start our practice in coronary position. For this, I place a bolster, or you can also use a couple of big pillows, behind my back at the level of my spine, and I lean on it, and I use an extra pillow under my head to make myself really comfortable. We really want to lift up the chest here. Make sure that it's elevated enough for you to breathe comfortably, and you can stretch out your legs if you want, with the arms by the side, or bend your knees if there's any issue in the lower back, and have the knees leaning against each other. I'm placing one hand on the abdominal area and the other hand on my rib cage to follow the pattern of my breath. And now let us bring our attention to the breath. You may even gently close your eyes to interiorize more. I will give you the verbal cues. And in breath, towards the abdomen, allowing the abdomen to expand, and out breath towards, allowing the abdomen to sink in as if it's trying to touch the spine, and you can exhale through the nostrils or through the mouth, whatever feels more comfortable for you. And now let's introduce a rhythm. 3 units breathing in, 3 units breathing out. It may also be 4 by 4. The slower the better, but it needs to be a rhythm and a volume that is more than slower and bigger than your daily breathing pattern, however still comfortable for your body. And once you have established this rhythm in your own time, we are going to introduce Ujjayi breath, which is a gentle constriction of the throat as you breathe in and out. It will bring out a sound like Darth Vader when you breathe in and out. I'm going to amplify, exaggerate a little bit. It doesn't have to be so strong. So please continue breathing like this in Ujjayi breath for a minute. Just this position alone and this breathing pattern alone has immense healing effects. So let us stay with that, with our mind anchored in the breath, following this Ujjayi pattern. And continuing with Ujjayi breath, we will move into the other postures. I'm going to remove this pillow under my head and place it under my knees, while I straighten my legs. And the hands are under the hips so that the forearms are on the ground. And with the next in-breath, Ujjayi breath, I'm placing the top of my head, my crown, on the bolster. And keep breathing here. It's important to keep this slow breathing pattern, especially the slow exhalations in Ujjayi. And with the next exhalation, coming back down, removing the hands, and bringing the knees close to the chest, and allowing them to drop to one side, while the opposite arm is stretched to the side, allowing this gentle twist of the lower back and the chest opener while stretching the abdomen. Ujjayi breath. And with the next exhalation, coming back, bringing the knees again closer to the chest to realign the spine, and then allowing them to drop to the opposite side, opening up the chest by looking at the arm on the side. And coming back slowly to the center. And again, bringing the knees close to the chest to realign the spine. And now I'm going to again move to the side just to help myself up with the support of my hands without creating any tension in the body. And I'm not going to be needing the bolster anymore for the next pose, which is another great chest opener and a good massage for the lungs. You may use a pillow under your knees, or you may perform this pose on a chair. We will be sitting on our knees with the knees fist width apart. I'm in between the heels of my feet and my toes are not touching each other. Here you can use a block under your hips to make it more comfortable, or a few pillows. And if it's not accessible, you can do it in any comfortable position, even on a chair. I'm going to take a strap, or it can also be a scarf or a t-shirt, on my left hand, then allowing the left hand to drop towards the shoulder blades as I grab the belt, the strap with my right arm, right hand. My elbows are pointing, the left one towards the ceiling, the right one towards the floor. My spine is in a neutral position. Please don't arch. Bring your pelvis in a neutral position, and the head is aligned with the spine. Now let us close our eyes again and go back to the Ujjayi breath. Staying centered in the breath. And letting go with the next exhalation. Taking a moment with a normal breath. Feeling the effects. And now grabbing the belt with the right hand And bringing the hands closer. If you can grab your hands directly, it's even better. If not, feel free to use it at a level of comfort with the belt. And the elbows are pointing in opposite directions as far as your flexibility allows it. Head is aligned with the spine. Spine is in a neutral position. Eyes gently closed. Ujjayi breath. And with the next exhalation, letting go of the strap. You may remain seated if you're comfortable, or assume any other position. You can lean your back against the wall for the next breathing exercise. Gently closing the eyes, continuing with Ujjayi breath. 4 units in breath, 4 units out breath. The slower, the better. And try to perceive the breath coming in as a gentle massage, a caressing to your heart on its way. And again on its way out with the exhalation, it massages the heart, it caresses the heart. And let's now invite a moment in our memory where we felt great love or where we felt fully in peace. You can visualize the face of the person you love in that particular moment, as detailed as possible, or this place, this moment in that place where you felt peace in your heart. As you continue with the Ujjayi breath through the heart, just allow that feeling in that moment to grow in your heart. You may even drop the memory, the visualization, and just stay with that feeling as you breathe in and out. And that will do. Just staying a moment longer here, observing the sensations in your body, your state of mind, your state of being. And that will do. I hope you enjoyed this program, and I hope it will serve you best in your life to have a joyful, long, beautiful life ahead. And please subscribe to my channel for further amazing short programs that may help you with your well-being. Thank you very much, and have a beautiful rest of the day.